This is Christian again from the HighLevel Content Army, and in today's video, I'm going to be explaining you how we can use Reviews AI and the types of Reviews AI that is going to help us streamline our review gathering. So right now, the first thing we need to do is go to our agency view and enable Reviews AI. So what is Reviews AI? I'll show exactly what it is. So it's a tool used to maximize customer engagement that has the suggestive and autopilot mode. I'm going to explain exactly what these are. The first thing we need to do is enable Reviews AI. The way this is charged is you are charged 0.08 per review response. And then there are two modes, auto response mode that automatically sends out a response to new reviews, and then suggestive mode that can generate up to 3 responses, up to 3 times at no additional cost. So we need to confirm here. And then what we're going to do is go to Reviews AI. And then in Reviews AI, we can see in which accounts and in which sub-accounts we want to enable or disable this. Okay, so right now, let's leave this as it is. I'm not going to make any modification. I'm going to go to one of my sub-accounts where I have reputation enabled. And then I'm going to go to reputation. And then here in reputation management, when we go to settings, we can see here the 2 options that we have. Actually, we have 3 options. So we have off, that means nothing is going to happen. Then we have suggestive, which helps you articulate review responses. And then we have auto responses, which will send review response automatically. So if we use suggestive, the way this is going to work is whenever we go to reputation and we have a review, we can choose an AI reply and then send it. So it's still like a hybrid. It's not fully automated, like it generates a response automatically, but we still have to send it. For example, I'm going to do it here. And then we can regenerate up to 3 times. So if we don't like what we see, we can regenerate. Right now, I'm not going to post it because I don't want to waste the credits. But anyways, the other way is auto responses. So with auto responses, we can configure, for example, based on Google or Facebook. Let's say for Google, we can do this auto response, send only 5 stars or above, wait time before responding. Let's say we can put 2 minutes. And then review response footer. Can put thank you here. So when we do this, that means that whenever we get a Google review of 5 stars, 2 minutes are going to happen, 2 minutes are going to pass, and then this thing automatically, it's going to send the review response to them. So those are the 2 ways. That's exactly how we enable Reviews AI. And the reason why we need to use Reviews AI is because when we are scaling a business or we're helping a business scale, review management is going to be made so much easier when we can automate the replies to each review, either on autopilot or with suggestive mode. So that's where Reviews AI is used. I hope that video helps, and I'll see you again for more.